The origin of humans has always been a subject of debate among scholars. As archaeologists and historians continue to uncover new discoveries, we learn that there is much more to the story of our past than what we were taught in school. A lot of stories have been told about the evolution of humans, the development of civilization, and tales of God and angels. But if we dig deeper into the details of these tales, an entirely alternate history of the human race unfolds. We can only imagine what further revelation awaits us, challenging our preconceptions and enriching our understanding of the human story. Join us as we delve into the hidden past of our ancestors, exploring discoveries that have shaped our understanding of history and sparked ongoing debates among scholars. The evolution of humans is one of the greatest stories that is unknown to many, as it differs ever so slightly from person to person. There are several beliefs and theories about the origin of humans, and different groups maintain that their belief is the real origin story. From the Christian perspective, humans are said to descend from Adam, the first being created by God in the Garden of Eden. But scientists are of another opinion. While the common knowledge about the scientific origin of humans was that they evolved from apes, some researchers beg to differ and believe that primitive humans could have originated from fishes. Experts believe that the origin of humans took its roots from Africa about 5 to 7 million years ago. Charles Darwin, a renowned geologist and biologist, is widely known for his contribution to evolutionary biology. He recorded in 1871 in his story about the descent of man that man descended from a hairy-tailed quadruped creature, probably arboreal in its habitat. A number of scientists also agree on the human-ape connection, and several books have been published in these past decades, all aimed at tracing our steps backward from what we are not to what we might have been. The fact that a lot of researchers can write so many books with the word ape in the title in relation to human origin proves that the human-ape connection is so clear that there is nowhere else to begin. From familial likeness, apes struggle for status, communicate, show aggression, groom and support one another, and play politics. Yes, politics. You would be more surprised to find out that they even betray each other and resort to violence or sexual bribery, all of which are common practices among humans. On the contrary, some other researchers are of the opinion that humans originated from fishes. Yes, the same creature that swims in the ocean. Recently, the University of Copenhagen carried out genome mapping on primitive fish, and the findings from this study have changed the understanding of a key milestone in humans' evolutionary history. Traditionally, people think that lungs and limbs are key innovations that came with the vertebrate transition from water to land. And recently, scientists revealed that the genetic basis of air breathing and limb movement was already established in fish about 50 million years ago. It is not new knowledge to scientists that humans and all other vertebrates evolved from fish. The conventional understanding has been that certain fish evolved and moved to land roughly 370 million years ago as primitive, lizard-like animals known as tetrapods. From this understanding, scientists deduce that our fish ancestors came out from water to land by converting their fins to limbs, and underwater breathing was transformed into air breathing. This fish ancestor that came ashore carried the genetic codes for limb-like forms and air breathing. And surprisingly to experts, these codes are still present in humans and a form of primitive fishes. The findings from this research concluded that the evolution of these genetic codes was what contributed to the vertebrate water-to-land transition. This changes the common belief that the evolution of humans was from apes. Therefore, the water-to-land transition is now a major milestone in human evolutionary history. So many hypotheses have been drawn, with a number of theories being postulated regarding the origin and spread of humans to all parts of the world. It is generally believed that humans originated in Africa about 200,000 years ago. The human species referred to as Homo sapiens interacted with local archaic human populations and gradually colonized the globe. A lot of questions have been raised concerning the spread of humans, whether we evolved from local ancestors across the globe or originated in a single region and then dispersed. Fossil records from the 1980s were not able to birth results that answered any of these questions. However, DNA studies supported the single origin narrative, though the findings were still in their infancy when two major opposing opinions were proposed by scientists: the out-of-Africa model and the multi-regional model. The first was the out-of-Africa model, which was the most widely favored explanation accounting for the origin of modern humans. It suggested that modern humans originated from Africa within the last 200,000 years from a single group of ancestors. Modern humans then continued to evolve in Africa, and 100,000 years ago, they had spread to the Middle East. They have been moving around and establishing themselves everywhere, and it is believed that the different physical features we see among humans from different geographical areas today result from adaptations to different environments. Meanwhile, as modern humans spread, they replaced all other human species. Homo heidelbergensis was replaced by modern humans in Africa and Europe. Homo erectus was replaced in Asia, and Homo neanderthalensis was replaced in Europe. The out-of-Africa model is also referred to as the Garden of Eden hypothesis and, sometimes, Noah's Ark hypothesis. Yes, the same Garden of Eden and Noah's Ark recorded in the pages of the Bible. On the other hand, the multi-regional model suggested that when human ancestors first left Africa nearly 2 million years ago, they spread out and formed regional groups of early humans across Africa, Asia, and Europe. Modern humans then evolved simultaneously in all these regions rather than from a single group of humans in Africa. However, recent fossil discoveries suggest that modern human physical traits didn't emerge as one suit, but were gradual. A skull was recovered from Jebel Irhoud in Morocco, dated to be about 300,000 years old, which suggested a hybrid version of the Homo sapiens species. It was recorded that the discovered hybrid human had a modern-looking face, but slightly elongated with an archaic-looking brain case. Ancient civilization has left us with a treasure trove of mysteries that challenge our understanding of history. The world is ever-changing, with humans at the center of it, and what is seen as a common practice today will become outdated in a few decades. A number of technological advancements have been recorded in modern times, but are you not curious about what was considered technology in the past? Let us take a look at some of the shreds of evidence of ancient civilization that has been uncovered by archaeologists and historians, unfolding mysteries that completely overturn human knowledge. One of the most famous examples of advanced ancient technology is the Antikythera Mechanism, so you might be curious about the details embedded in this strange term. The Antikythera Mechanism is an intricate device discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. Dating back to the 2nd century BCE, this complex mechanism is often referred to as the world's first analog computer. Its gears and dials were used to track astronomical phenomena and predict eclipses, which showcases the advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy in ancient Greece. It is interesting to find out that computers have been in existence since ancient times. However, the discovery of this Antikythera mechanism has raised a number of questions about the true extent of technological innovation in ancient civilizations. It seems technological advancement in ancient Greece might be more advanced than what we imagine. One of the world's earliest records of urban civilization is the Indus Valley Civilization, which thrived in present-day Pakistan and northwest India from 2600 to 1900 BCE. This highly advanced society boasted of advanced, well-planned cities, advanced sanitation systems, and a still undeciphered writing system. Apparently, this Indus Valley civilization disappeared around 1900 BCE, leaving behind tantalizing clues with only a few answers regarding its true culture, technology, and ultimate fate. Ongoing excavations and research continue to reveal new information, challenging human understanding of its mysterious civilization and its place in history. The fascinating archaeological site located in modern-day Turkey has transformed our understanding of human civilization. Dating way back to around 9500 BCE, this ancient temple was built by hunter-gatherer societies before the advent of agriculture, and it predates Stonehenge by over 6,000 years. The enormous stone pillars and intricate carvings found at the site defy the conventional wisdom about the capabilities of prehistoric societies, leading researchers to reassess the timeline and development of human civilization. Another civilization discovered to have been in existence in the past millennia is the Minoan civilization. The Minoans had a highly advanced civilization that thrived on the island of Crete around 2000 BCE. They are known for their stunning wall painting, elaborate complexes, and advanced naval capabilities. This civilization remains shrouded in mystery, as experts are yet to decode the meaning of their written language, known as Linear A. This discovery proves that detailed record-keeping has been in existence for ages. The Sumerian king list is an ancient document that records the lineage of kings who ruled over the region of Sumer in present-day Iraq, giving the suggestion of the name Sumerian king list. Aside from the detailed records imprinted in the document, what makes this document more fascinating is the longevity attributed to some of these rulers, with reigns lasting tens of thousands of years, although many scholars dismiss these long reigns as mythological exaggerations. Others argue that there is a possibility that the document holds clues to a lost chapter of human history, one relating to an advanced and long-lived ancient civilization. The Nazca lines are a series of enormous geoglyphs depicting plants, animals, and geometric shapes. These unique designs were discovered in the arid coastal plains of southern Peru. Created by the Nazca people between 500 BC and 500 CE, these enigmatic designs can be fully appreciated from above, leaving scientists asking questions about their purpose and, more importantly, the form of technology used to create them. Another technological advancement, particularly in the area of engineering and architecture, was discovered to have existed in Petra. The ancient city of Petra, which is now located in present-day Jordan, was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. The kingdom thrived from the 4th century BCE to the 1st century CE. The Nabateans were known to be masterful architects and engineers. They carved the city's magnificent structures directly into the surrounding sandstone cliffs, and their advanced water management systems allowed them to prosper in the harsh desert environment. The Vinca culture, which thrived in present-day Serbia between 5700 and 4500 BCE, is one of the oldest Neolithic cultures in Europe. This advanced society is known for its large, well-organized settlements, advanced pottery techniques, and the Vinca symbols, a set of symbols that some researchers argue represent the world's oldest known writing system. As archaeologists and historians continue to explore the hidden corners of the past, we are once again reminded that history is a complex tapestry of interwoven stories, many of which remain untold. What part of this did you find surprising? The origin of humans from apes? The fact that we might actually be an advanced version of primitive fishes, or the Garden of Eden hypothesis? Let us know in the comments section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.